Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer Pillsbury French bread pizza. Let's begin. We have here a can of Pillsbury French bread, and it has a label that says start here. We're just gonna peel it. Just start peeling the label. You can use a spoon or your finger, but where the arrow is, you just take your finger and just pop it open. I'm going to take it out. It's a little bit too long for the air fryer. We're going to cut it in half. Then we're going to cut a couple lines into it. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button, and we're going to preheat it to 330 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been preheated to 330 degrees. Let's put in the French bread. But before we do that, we're just going to spray some olive oil into the basket. There we go. And let's put in the French bread. Okay, let's put it in. We're going to set it back to 330 degrees for a total time of 10 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes at 330 degrees. Let's take them out. We're going to take out the French bread. Next, we're going to cut the French bread in half. Just like that. There we go. Next, we're going to take some garlic powder and sprinkle it on top. Some oregano. Next, we're going to take some pizza sauce and apply it on top. Then we're going to take some mild cheddar cheese and apply it on top. There we go. Next, we're going to take some shredded mozzarella and apply it on top. And if you want, you can sprinkle a little bit more cheddar cheese on top. There we go. This is what it looks like before we put it in. We're going to open up the air fryer. We're just going to spray just a little bit extra olive oil. And let's put it in. We're just going to make the first batch. Okay, let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to set it through 370 degrees for 3 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 3 minutes at 370 degrees. Let's take them out. Look at that. It looks wonderful. Let's take it out. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer Pillsbury French bread pizza. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.